Welcome to another video from the farm. Today, turning these roofs into green roofs. Now the first step in doing a green roof is obviously have a roof and have one that can take a decent amount of weight on it. Now you should be able to do this with any garage flat roof, or most flat roofs to be honest, because if they're built correctly they should be able to take a lot of weight on them. Now once you've got your roof, we're taking this step, putting down a roofing membrane, and this is a bit of cushioning against the top membrane and the wood underneath, as well as this is waterproof at the same time, so it's another layer of waterproofing. But this is waterproof in one direction, so water won't go through, but it can breathe underneath, so if there is any moisture gets right below, it can get out basically. And the next step, finish this bit off, and then we'll start cutting some plastic to size. So with this, we're just putting some staples in the edge, just to stop it blowing away. So this is it. Got the roof cover on now. Already had this one done a while ago. This is 2 layers of this damp proof membrane. Now this is more than thick enough to make this watertight, as long as you layer it right obviously. As you can see, this piece here is layered a good ½ metre or so, just one last little chunk to go on the end here. And now we're on to the next stage, bringing stuff up here to start making it a green roof. Now a lot of people go wrong with this, I think, by they try and put too much drainage, a lot of stuff on top of the roof basically, which obviously adds to the amount of structural strength you need to make the roof. Whereas if you literally just keep it simple, grow some grasses or mosses or wildflowers up here, you barely need any soil, so therefore not very much weight at all on here. Right, let's go get some material from over there to put on here. Now this stuff is the absolute key to this roof being really cheap and really easy to do. Now you're replacing a large majority of stone and soil that people would usually throw on a green roof with straw. Now this is ridiculously light obviously, even when it's wet it's way lighter than you could possibly have if it was all soil. Make sure it's good drainage, as well as it also retains a lot of moisture. So you've got win-win with this. It's great for grow beds anyway, and great for green roofs. Right, let's get this up there. Let's throw them a bit further. There we go, sorted. I've got to spread all this out. Just want a bit, sort of an inch or two, you don't need much. Bale goes a long way. This will probably only be 2 or 3 bales for the whole roof. 3/4 bale, I'm already over halfway done on this roof. There we go. It's the last bit of the soil out. As you can see, only thinly spread some compost on here. Now that's just so when it gets wet, it washes through the straw a bit, spreads the nutrients out everywhere for your stuff to grow. Because the main structure for your plants to grow in and the roots to bind to is the straw itself. Now as you can see, got this whole roof done in an afternoon. Just 2 bales and approximately 6 buckets of compost. apart from the cost of the liner, this is a next to nothing way of building a green roof, even though the liner is very cheap. Probably about £20 in liner to do this. So the final step, water it all and seed it with whatever you like. Now I'm going to be seeding it with grasses and wildflowers, something that can tolerate a bit of a drought, a little bit anyway, because otherwise I'm going to be watering this roof all the time, which kind of defeats the object in my opinion. So that's it for now. Until next time.